Romania is a country that feels like it was made by hand, where morning light pours like honey over rolling hills and old forests whisper secrets. Beyond the famous castles and cities, there's a quieter, magical Romania, full of lively folk traditions, hearty meals, and views that look like they came from a painter's dream. Here, every winding road leads to a new discovery. Every sunset paints the sky in colors of rose and gold. It's a place where the world feels simpler, more connected to the earth. You don't just see Romania, you feel it. The light is special, catching mountain fog and making sunflower fields glow. We're going off the main roads to find hidden treasures that show the true heart of Romania. We'll walk through old villages, mysterious forests, and castles that whisper old stories. Get ready to be amazed. This trip is about moments of wonder and connection. Let's explore the real Romania, one magical place at a time. Our first stop is Magura, a village tucked between two national parks. Getting here feels like going back 100 years. No paved roads, just dirt paths, winding between traditional farmhouses. The air is fresh, filled with the smell of hay and wildflowers, and the only sounds are cowbells and birds singing. Life moves at the speed of the seasons. Local people tend gardens, milk cows, and gather at the village church. The hills are like a quilt of green fields and forests, dotted with purple crocuses in spring. Magura gives you a chance to unplug and experience real Romanian village life. Stay in a family guest house, enjoy fresh cheese and homemade soup, and hike for hours in the pure mountain air. Here, you remember the simple joy of being in nature. Magura is a true escape, a peaceful reminder of a quieter way of life. Next, we travel to the mysterious Hoia Batiu forest, just outside Cluj-Napoca. Known as the Bermuda Triangle of Transylvania, this forest is full of twisted trees and a spooky old energy. Local stories talk about strange lights and odd feelings. Some people feel worried, others feel peaceful. A guide named Adrian showed me a bare spot where nothing grows, a puzzle for scientists and a place that draws curious people. The forest floor is a soft carpet of moss, and the light plays tricks, making the woods feel alive. Hoia Baciu is less about grand views and more about the feeling and mystery. It's a place that makes you imagine things, inviting you to ask questions and wonder. Whether you believe the stories or not, a walk here is something you won't forget. This is a place for those who are curious and brave. From the forest, we travel to Corvin Castle in Hunedoara, a place of pure, amazing greatness. With tall towers, a drawbridge, and a deep moat, it's the castle from childhood fairy tales. Inside, grand halls and shadowy rooms echo with the past. Lots of legends are told, like the story of prisoners who dug a well to gain freedom, only to be tricked. Corvin Castle still has a raw, real feel. Less like a museum, more like a time capsule. Climb the towers for wide-open views, or go down into chilling dungeons. Here, you don't just see history, you feel it. It's an experience that surrounds you, and you won't forget. High in the Bucegi Mountains, discover the Sphinx and Bubble, rock shapes made by wind and rain over thousands of years. The Sphinx looks like a human face. The Bubble, a group of mushroom-shaped stones. Getting to them is an adventure. Take a cable car above forests and valleys to a windy plateau. The land is bare and looks like another world, the air thin and fresh. The rocks change with the light and weather, sometimes glowing gold, sometimes covered in fog. Local shepherds believe these stones hold a special energy. Unlike things made by people, these shapes are nature's raw art. Walk among them, touch them, and feel a sense of wonder and humility. Here, you're reminded of the huge, endless forces that shape our world. Our final hidden gem is Bigar Waterfall in Chele Nerebushnica National Park. This isn't a loud, rushing waterfall, but a gentle veil of water flowing over a mossy dome-shaped rock. The water trickles down in thin silver lines, creating a magical, shimmering curtain. The air is cool and damp, filled with the soft sound of droplets and the smell of wet earth. A local story tells of a girl's tears turning into the waterfall, adding to its mysterious feel. Bigar's beauty is in its small details, a celebration of what is small and delicate. It's a place for quiet thinking, where nature's art is fully on display. Here, you slow down, look closely, and enjoy the dance of water, rock, and light. Bigar is a living work of art, always changing, yet always beautiful. It's a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful places are the quietest. We've traveled through Romania's quiet wonders, from old villages to magical waterfalls. These hidden places offer a real connection to the land and its people. Romania invites you to be more than just a visitor, to be an explorer. Be brave enough to take the road not on the map, stop in a village not in the guidebook, and start a chat with a local. The real magic is found in simple moments and warm smiles. When you plan your next adventure, think of Romania's golden light, green hills, and welcoming spirit. Come find your own magical places and make your own stories. All you have to do is step into the picture. Drum bun.